Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini on Janitor. First, understand that Janitor AI acts as a bridge, allowing you to connect different AI models. Gemini, with its robust conversational and creative capabilities, can significantly enhance your experience. The initial step involves securing an API key from Google AI Studio, which is essential for integration. To get your Gemini API key, navigate to Google AI Studio. Once there, you can easily generate a new key. It's crucial to ensure your Google account is properly set up and verified to access these developer tools. After generation, carefully copy the entire API key. This key is vital for linking Gemini to Janitor AI, so keep it secure. Now, open your Janitor AI platform and locate the API settings. This is where you will paste the Gemini API key you just obtained. Carefully input the key into the designated field. After successfully adding the key, select Gemini from the list of available AI models. This action activates Gemini for all your future conversations within Janitor AI. With Gemini now configured, you can begin interacting, initiate new conversations, or pick up where you left off in existing ones. Gemini is excellent for creative writing, brainstorming, or tackling complex questions. Don't hesitate to experiment with various prompts and styles to fully explore its capabilities and get the most out of your AI assistant on Janitor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.